A lot of people ask me which knot I use for attaching soft plastics to my leader. Pretty much I always say the same knot, and it's a loop knot. I don't like using snaps or any extra hardware. They're more visible to a fish, they collect weed, so I like a direct connection, but most importantly a loop knot. Now I'm sad to say my fingers get a little bit of arthritis, you know, on early cool damp mornings such as this one. So I like this knot. It's a super easy loop knot. I call it an improved bowline. So if you can tie a bowline, you can tie this knot. But one key difference to this versus a bowline is you're going to put an actual overhand loop in the leader. Step 2 is to thread the tag end of the line through the hook eye. Step 3, and this is where it gets like a bowline, the rabbit comes out of the hole, goes around the tree and back in the hole, and you pull it tight, and there is your easy loop knot, which I'm dubbing as the improved bowline. It's not really that easy to tie. So you'll notice that this tag end is pointing downward, and that's great because that'll help shed weeds, and it's a little long. I'll trim this back, you know, by a little bit, but this knot is fantastic. I've caught bluefin tuna using as much as 130-pound test fluoro with this, tarpon, big tarpon on the flats, striped bass, you name it. I even, you know, when I'm bluegill fishing now with my kiddos, I'll use the same knot just for the reason that it's so easy to tie. You can tie it in the dark when fish are busting. Your nerves are, you know, flared up with action going on. You know, even if your fingers are a little stiff like mine in the morning. But this is a super important knot to know and have in your quiver.